Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video let's design this machine part in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. And to do this, first you go to New, Part, Solid, assign the name and say OK. Now to design this kind of part, first you create all add material feature and then you go for remove material feature. So let's start this part with this base, and for this go to Extrude onto the top datum plane, normal. Now draw center line first, just like this, then a rectangle, start like this, let it be symmetry and drag it this side. Now this is 31 and this is 30 and this is 90. Draw a circle somewhere here. Go for delete segment, delete this segment and this segment. Now this radius is 11, delete this dimension and add a new dimension from here till here. This is 30, Ctrl D and say OK. Now the thickness is 6 and say OK. So your base is done. Now the next feature is this portion, and for this go to Extrude onto this top surface, normal, go to reference, select this edge as a reference. Now draw center rectangle from this point, just like this. Now this is 50, Ctrl D and say OK. Now this is again 6 and say OK. Now the next feature is this feature, and for this go to Extrude onto the front datum plane, normal. Now draw a circle first somewhere here, then go for reference, select these edges as a reference, draw the line, start from here, just like this, move it down, then left side, then make it tangent. Go for delete segment, delete these segment. Now the dimension, so this is 7 and this is radius 20. Now from here till this top surface, this is 34, Ctrl D and say OK. Now the thickness is 12, make it symmetry and say OK. So your all add material features are done. Now I will go with remove material feature. So I will go for these features, and for that go to Extrude onto this surface, normal, go for reference, select this edge as a reference, draw a circle just like this. Now this is dia 20, again go for reference, select this top edge as a reference, then a center line just like this, then draw a rectangle, start from here, make it symmetry and place like this. Now from here till here, this is 21 and this is 35. Ctrl D, say OK, flip the side, make it 2 next and say OK. Now the next feature is these rounds, the big rounds, and for this go to round, select this edge, then that side, this edge and this edge. Now the size is 12. One more round, this one, and for this go to round, select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, change the size, it is 2, select this edge and this edge. and say OK. And your part is done. So this was the machine part, and I hope this video will be helpful. Now you can like this video if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.